Hey guys, it's Sam here at WTI. I want to tell you about this super cute book, Supertruck. So it's all about these trucks that live in a city and they all have different jobs. So obviously the tow truck rescues buses, then there's like a fire truck and obviously he helps people. And then the garbage truck, they're like, oh, he just collects trash. We don't like him. But then there is a blizzard and everyone gets super stuck. But who comes and saves them? The garbage truck. He puts a plow on. And so they're talking about how this truck came and saved them, but no one knows it was actually a garbage truck. So it's a really cute story. In the end, it turns out that the garbage truck is the super truck. He's the actual hero in the story. So we really like this story. My son's obsessed with trucks, so of course he loves this. So if you have a little one who loves trucks too, I definitely recommend this. You won't be disappointed. The illustrations are great. The storyline is great as well, and that is my point of view.